Your Mirror Trading International business. Tony Robbins has a saying, if you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. However, if you're happy with the status quo of your life, this video is not for you. Sit back and relax. Your Bitcoin is growing. We cannot guarantee that the ideas shown in this video will work for you. The ideas and concepts that are shared in this video are from the experiences of people who have built the business and ideas that they use to continue to build their businesses. All projections made in this video are based on current history. It must be noted that all bonuses are dependent on trading results. How much would you like to earn per week in binary bonuses? How much would you like to earn per month in binary bonuses? How about earning $15,000 per day? $330,000 per month? In this video, you will be shown two different paths, one for the person who has limited time. We will show you a steady track and then the fast track approach for the person who desires financial freedom and has a burning desire to accomplish their dreams quickly. Whichever path suits you, remember that success becomes predictable when you are consistent. In networking, there are generally four types of people: the highly effective, the motivated, the average members, and the novices. On the table, you can see the types of recruiting results each of these type of people will get. The highly effective people will generally share the business with someone every day. They will recruit approximately 10 people per month, usually finding 2 motivated people, 4 members, and 4 novices. The motivated share the business every other day, and this results in them recruiting about 5 new people per month. They have a good chance of finding 1 motivated person like themselves, 2 members, and 2 novices. Members, on the other hand, will share the business about 8 times a month and recruit about 3 new people. The results are typically 1 new member like themselves and 2 novices. Novices usually recruit their family members initially and then find other novice people like themselves. Let us now look at the typical results that can be achieved by a motivated person over a period of 12 months. 6 months. Number of team members in weaker leg, 76. Average member position in US dollars, $200. Potential binary bonus per week, $106. 12 months. Number of team members in weaker leg, 2,309. Average member position in US dollars, $200. Potential binary bonus per week, $3,232. Let us now look at the typical results that can be achieved by an average member over a period of 12 months. 6 months. Number of team members in weaker leg, 36. Average member position in US dollars, $200. Potential binary bonus per week, $51. 12 months. Number of team members in weaker leg, 516. Average member position in US dollars, $200. Potential binary bonus per week, $722. Here is a comparison between the steady and fast track, with monthly binary bonus projections added. You will see from this comparison that over time your team will grow. The more effort you are able to put into growing your business, the quicker you will achieve financial freedom. For more information on how the binary bonuses are calculated, please refer to the binary bonus videos. Here is an example of what can be achieved. This was achieved in 6 months by one of the highly effective leaders in Mirror Trading International. What about $330,000 per month? Once you have reached the 12-month fast-track goal, then the maximum earnings will be 24 to 36 months away. How can teamwork benefit you? The first example is spillover. However, it is not guaranteed. Spillover happens when your sponsor or someone in the team above you places someone in the leg beneath you. But don't count on spillover until it actually occurs. Mirror Trading International provides you with educational videos and other support material to assist you in building your business. The videos can be found on the dedicated YouTube channel and in the back office. Other information and education material is shared regularly on the WhatsApp groups. Please use these tools to your advantage. Working with your sponsor can be a great way to accelerate your success. Reach out to them and get as many tips as you can from them. If you are on social media, use it to your advantage. Post regularly on your favorite channels like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Funnel systems are also effective for gathering leads if you are prepared to pay for the promotion of these on Facebook. Mirror Trading International is your business, and it is up to you to turn possibilities into success. For more information, please contact the person who sent you this video.